What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. It is 2:18 a.m. on the West Coast, but guess what? We still about to get it in. November 3rd, 2025. We have started a new month. So keep that in mind, especially when you're looking at your charts. We did reach a new all-time high in the stock market last week. The market continues to stay strong. We'll see what happens this week. The public portfolio reached a new all-time high this week. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel so we can help them get started the right way. If I didn't say it, this is your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly Money Watch economics calendar for Monday, November 3rd. Fed speakers, auto sales to be announced Tuesday. Bowman speaks. Trade deficit, factory orders, job openings Wednesday. ADP, ISM. Thursday, initial jobless claims, U.S. productivity, wholesale inventories, some more Fed speakers. And Friday, more Fed speakers, U.S. employment report, U.S. unemployment rate, U.S. hourly wages, consumer credit, and some more Fed speakers. So definitely going to keep track of the economic events just so we can, kind of know what's going on. First trading day in November, according to the almanac, the Dow has been up 11 of the last 15 trading sessions. This week, historically, is one of the most bullish weeks in the market. Tuesday, the 4th of November, we have election day. So, for those who like to get out and vote, keep that in mind. November begins Dow and S&P best 6 months, so we'll see how that goes. The rest of the week, though, for the most part, historically bullish. How about some setups for this week? So, how about this LKQ dividends November 20th? Keep that in mind. So because we have a new month, we have a lot of interesting setups. I love LKQ on this one because it's setting up the 2-2 month for next month. It got that hammer quarter, got a nice inside day. So LKQ on the entry on this one, we actually got a 1 minute entry on this one. So it's a 2-1-2 1 minute above $31.98. So yeah, that's been pretty strong over there. We'll see if that continues to go. The next ticker we're going to be looking at is CWAN, CWAN, Clearwater Analytics, corporate data, earnings November 5th, earnings conference call on the 5th, 5 p.m. Eastern time. This has a nice, let me slide this back over. Again, we have that new month, right? So, we got to anticipate what the price action could be. This has potential 2-2 month here. We'll see how that goes. What is the entry we have on this one? It's on a day, actually. Let me go to the day chart. 2-1-2 day above $18.46. So you can see, pretty strong last quarter, pretty strong last month. We'll just see if we get that month to push up. We got that week kind of hammer up right here. I wish it would have turned green, but nevertheless, inside day, and we'll just see if it wants to push up, and we see the potential if it wants to do that. The last ticker we're going to be looking at, pretty interesting. Rocket companies have been in a strong uptrend. It's been consolidating on the week. Again, kind of got that hammer, didn't actually turn green, but we did get that day reversal. So inside quarter, and we'll see if this wants to push back up. Price action looks like it does. So this one, we actually have a 4-hour entry on this one. So you can kind of see how it's been consolidating here. We want to see if it takes off. So it's actually a 212 4-hour above $16.70. All right, so it's already been in an uptrend. If it wants to go, first target we're looking at is around $30. So it's already come quite a long way off these lows, and it continues to be strong. We want to see if that continues to go up this week. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. I'll be up bright and early for the morning with my, Cafe Bustelo ready to go as usual. So, if you guys have any questions, make sure to put those in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to like the stream so you can get the updates as soon as they drop. Looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. It's your man BossGangVIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.